Hello, everyone. Let's go ahead and hop into it. It is your Shopify bestie here, ready to show you how to simply add a product that automatically will go into collections. Your SEO is correct. Everything is good for a product drop. So we're going to start off blank. The first thing I'm going to do is actually schedule this. This isn't going to drop until 8. In case you did not know that you can do that, you have to make sure that it's active. But once you schedule it, it will not go active until 8 p.m. I know that seems a little scary and you want to put it on draft, but if you put it on draft, you will not have it go live at 8 p.m. So that is crucial and important. So I'm going to upload the product that I will be doing. And of course, this is going to be a little bit of a sneak peek if you guys actually watch this before 8 p.m. tonight, because this is one of the live sale items for Harper's Haven Shop that we do every Wednesday and Saturday at 8 p.m. So this was the color combination title that she had sent me. So I'm just sending that. I'm making sure to put crew neck. And then what I'm going to do, because of Shopify's new auto write, is for me personally, I like to do playful. I like to have it auto write. I like to see what it actually brings up for this auto write. I love this. Feel like a beast in this bright blue violet Timberland Wolf Raven crew neck. This limited edition top will keep you cozy and on trend with its unique and playful design. Eye-catching and sure to draw attention. It's perfect wardrobe statement piece no matter the season. Get ready to roar in style. I love that. I love that so much. So I also have the price. The price is $55. Here, category, I always put apparel and accessories. Right here is where I'll put crew neck, vendor, collection. So here is something interesting that most people do not know. I personally love automated collections. Automated collections are run by either something in the title, something in the tags, something in the price, something in the quantity, something along anything that you like to make it. For me, we do RTS for our items. That was something that she had created, and I follow along with that because she is my captain and I follow her through and through. So we have it scheduled. We have all of this filled out. This will be filled out once we save it. We have our price. Now we are going to add our sizes. And we do. We are going all the way to 5X. Of course, you'll add them each individually. And because I added the price up above, we don't have to put the price in below, which I love. Work smarter, not harder, is what I always say. And then on another screen that I'm currently not showing you, I do have the quantity. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Let's see. Boom. So here's our quantity. We have 16 of this quantity at the one location. Here is where you're going to want to look to see how the page title will look, the meta description, because again, search engine optimization is super important and Shopify already has this done for you. So you just want to check to make sure that it's exactly what you want. You can change it if you want. You do have a 320 character limit on here. So just make sure whatever you put is going to fully be shown and make sure to edit that. So that is everything that goes into it. Again, every product is probably going to be different. You might want to add different options as well. If you want to add a t-shirt, crew neck, hoodie option, if you want to add a color option, you can add as many options as possible. There is a 100 variant limit on Shopify in case you did not know that. So that can be something to stop you. But again, this is all that I personally need. So I'm going to click save. And boom. So here, so you see how it's half full right here? It's because it's scheduled to drop at 8 p.m. today. So that is why it's important to put as active. So it may scare you thinking, oh my gosh, it's active. Everyone can see it. No one can see it yet until 8 p.m. And down here, like I was telling you, so the long sleeve collection is just another collection that we have that has crew neck listed as a title option. So anytime anything has crew neck in it, long sleeve, hoodie in this title will go into the long sleeve collection. And then of course our live sale that we call this is in our RTS. I might actually change this after the video. That just is going to be a me thing. But that is how you easily upload a product. And then another thing that I'll be doing later, since I have more items, is I will just duplicate, because I will promise you forget the scheduling part. So once you duplicate, which I'll show you another option, I'm just going to put live sale t-shirt, and then I'll change it once I can go back into my text. Of course, sometimes the inventory quantities will be the same in this case, which makes it 1,000% easier for me. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click save active, but watch, because I duplicated off of this crew neck, it's also scheduled for 8 p.m. as well. I love that, because I will forget. 1,000% I will forget. But then it'll also keep the tag that I just currently had. It'll keep all the quantities, all the price. The only thing that I truly want to point out is making sure that you go to the bottom of your listing and change the title name of your listing, because it will keep the same page title as what you copied off of, but the URL will change. The meta description will change once you change it, but I'd also check that as well. And I just wanted to point that out because most people will forget about that part. So I truly hope that this quick 6-minute video was something that was truly helpful in just adding, scheduling, product categories, doing automated versus manual collections. Again, everyone's going to be different in how they run their shop, but this is how I do it as a Shopify manager for this client. And if you guys need any other videos, just comment below and let me know.